Experience comfort and convenience at Hotel Premiere Classe Mulhouse Sud, Morschwiller-Welcome to Hotel Premiere Classe Mulhouse Sud, Morschwiller, a charming and convenient hotel located in the picturesque town of Morschwiller-le-Bas, France. With its excellent amenities and comfortable accommodations, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Featuring 47 well-appointed rooms, Hotel Premiere Classe Mulhouse Sud, Morschwiller offers a variety of options to suit every guest's needs. Each room is designed with comfort in mind, ensuring a restful and enjoyable stay. Whether you are traveling alone or with a companion, you will find everything you need for a pleasant stay. Check-in at Hotel Premiere Classe Mulhouse Sud, Morschwiller is available from 5 p.m., allowing you plenty of time to settle in and relax. The friendly and professional staff will be there to assist you with any inquiries or requests you may have. If you are traveling with a furry friend, you'll be pleased to know that the hotel allows one pet per room, ensuring that your beloved companion can join you on your travels. Unwind and enjoy at Hotel Premiere Classe Mulhouse Sud, Morschwiller's entertainment facilities. Hotel Premiere Classe Mulhouse Sud, Morschwiller in Morschwiller-le-Bas, France, offers a range of entertainment facilities to ensure a memorable and enjoyable stay for its guests. Whether you're looking to relax with a drink, soak up the sun in a tranquil garden setting, or mingle with fellow travelers in a cozy shared lounge, this hotel has it all. The hotel features a stylish bar where guests can unwind after a long day of exploring the city. Sip on a refreshing cocktail or indulge in a glass of wine while enjoying the cozy ambience. The bar offers a wide selection of beverages, ensuring there is something to suit every taste. For those who prefer to spend their time outdoors, Hotel Premiere Classe Mulhouse Sud, Morschwiller boasts a beautiful garden area. Take a leisurely stroll amidst lush greenery, find a comfortable spot to read a book, or simply bask in the serenity of the surroundings. The garden provides a peaceful retreat where guests can relax and recharge. Additionally, the hotel offers a shared lounge/TV area, perfect for socializing and meeting fellow travelers. Whether you want to catch up on the latest news, watch your favorite show, or engage in friendly conversations, this communal space provides a welcoming atmosphere.